In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Google Tag Manager in Wix. If you have been trying to manage tracking scripts and marketing tags in a cleaner way, Google Tag Manager can make that process much easier. Instead of adding many different scripts directly to your site, you can connect Wix to Tag Manager and then manage your tags from one central place. Let's walk through it step by step, using the Wix dashboard you already have. First, go to your Wix dashboard. You can usually reach this by logging into your Wix account and selecting the dashboard area. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites. This matters because the settings we are about to change should apply to the site you want to track. Next, click Settings. In the Wix dashboard, the Settings area is where you will find configuration options related to your site's features and integrations. When you open Settings, you should see a list of options or categories. Look for anything related to marketing, analytics, or integrations, because that is where Google Tag Manager will appear. Now search for Marketing Integrations and click it. Wix organizes these types of tools under a specific section so that you can connect platforms without hunting through unrelated menus. Use the search field if there is one, or visually scan until you find Marketing Integrations. Once you open that section, you are getting closer to the exact integration you need. In the Marketing Integrations area, find Google Tag Manager. This is the integration name you are specifically looking for, so it should stand out in the list. If you see multiple related tools, make sure you are selecting the one that says Google Tag Manager. Choosing the correct integration is important because it ensures that the correct connection flow starts. After you locate it, click Connect. This tells Wix that you want to link your Wix site with Google Tag Manager. At this stage, Wix may prompt you to proceed through the setup process. Stay on the same screen and follow what Wix displays so everything matches your site and the Tag Manager container you intend to use. Once you click Connect, click Add Google Tag Manager. This action is basically Wix confirming that you are adding Tag Manager as an integration for your site. If you see additional configuration fields, do not rush. Read what Wix asks for and make sure you are entering or selecting the correct setup details during the process. Finally, complete the setup. Completing the setup usually means following the on-screen instructions all the way to the confirmation step. Wix may show a progress indicator or an installation successful style message when the connection is finished. After you complete the setup, it is a good idea to review that the integration is listed as active or connected. That confirmation helps you know that Wix has saved the settings correctly, and that covers the full process from start to finish. You went into your Wix dashboard, reached the Settings area, opened Marketing Integrations, selected Google Tag Manager, connected it, added Google Tag Manager, and then completed the setup in Wix. And that is all there is to it.